going to be selling my 94 GT.
No, 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 no! Oh, that's my car!
I've had it 20 years, so it's going to be a little rough to let it go. But the good news is I'm almost completely done with the paperwork on having a better replacement. It's the first time I've ever bought a car this way, and I'm going to take you guys along for the ride.
What an awesome day here at Lebanon Ford Performance. We've got some awesome customers here that just drove up from different parts of the country. This is a 300A Performance Pack Level 1. Going to be two completely different animals overall. You've got one powered by an Edelbrock, which produces 750 crank horsepower.
Wait.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood. And what did I tell you?
I retract my previous statement.
You know what? This will decimate all.
Look at this. Oh my God. Just imagine living in this town. Look at this. Holy crap. Wow. Man, look at the trucks. Wow. It's just truck after truck after truck. I can see way down there. Yeah. It just doesn't stop.
To get to the end of it directly, it's just 3.8 miles.
They're going to be at least 2 hours before they get to them. I'm so glad we didn't come up today.
Backed up on,
I know.
probably backed up on the highway.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look. That's where they're getting off. Holy crap. We may see them lined up out on the
They've been
highway.
backed up for 20 miles on the highway.
One, two, three!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more content on this car as well as others in the car club. Post any comments below on what you would like to see in the future. Thanks.